Alright guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can make your website look more professional, and it is what you can do. I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. If you are a beginner, you don't know how to make your website look more professional, this is what you can do to make it more a little bit professional. So let's get started to it. So the first thing you want to do is as you can see right here, this website is a new website. It's look very shabby. So let's make it more professional. As you can see, there is hello world right here, and down here you can also see hello world. So the first thing you want to do is you want to add the title of your website there, and let's also add some menu down here. So later you may want to add an image here so that it look more professional. So let's see what we can do. So first off, let's drive around into the dashboard area, and you want to go to appearance. So here you can customize your website. Yeah, let's go to customize. So let's go to general setting from the customize area. So you want to go to site identity. So you want to change this hello world to the name of our website. Let's say the name our website name is G Squad. So let's add tagline here since our website is about fitness. So let's say fitness advice and tips. So now let's see how it look like. So here you want to add logo here. So let's say you want to add logo here. So let's add a logo here to our website. I've already made. So let's download the logo here. If you guys want to know how to make a free logo for your website, check my video down below. I've made a video about how to make a free logo for your website on Canva. So check my video down below. So let's look for the logo right here. So there you got it. So I'm just giving the image name, the name of the website to the image. So that's for more SEO stuff. So I don't want to crop the image. I like it like this, so let's keep cropping. If you want to crop, you can crop your image. Doesn't matter. So, but I don't want to crop the image here. I just like leave it like that. So the logo has been added. Now let's add the site icon also. Let's use the same thing, the same logo, this logo for the icon also. So let's use the same logo, the same image for the logo. So let's go again. And again, if you want to crop, you can crop the image. I don't want to crop the image, so I'm gonna skip the cropping. Skip cropping. So they look great. So when you finish adding all this, when you finish changing the title of your website, the tagline, and the logos, you want to hit publish, and that is it. Now let's see how it looks like. The logo is too big. So let's customize it a little bit. Now let's go back and adjust a little bit the logo. Let's go to general settings, site identity. No, I'm just gonna leave the logo like that. I want to change the the theme later. So let's publish it. Let's add some menu here. Before I add some menu, we want to change the logo, the web, the theme. So let's add some menu here. So you want to write, you want to add menu, you want to create menu. So let's say my menu want to be main menu. You can name it any name you like. You can name your menu any name that you like. Okay, you can name it menu, anything you have in mind. So when you finish, you want to create, you want to hit create menu, save menu. So now that has been saved, so we want to add something here. So I want to add your post and pages here. So let's click this. Here you can add post, you can add category, you can add pages. These are pages here. These are all my pages here. You can add also custom link. You can add to your menu. So let's click add to menu here. So we've created a menu. So now let's make this menu our primary menu. So when you finish, you hit save menu. And that is now let's go and see how it looks like. Let's see how it looks like now. Now our menu has been created. I'm going to change this theme later. So another thing. So our menu has been created. Let's say I want to create menu for the footer. Let's create menu for the footer also. Let's create footer menu. Let's go back to menu. So we want to create a new menu here. And again, you want to name it footer menu. You can name it anything you like. Footer menu. So I want to name it footer menu since I'm putting it on the menu side, the footer side. So you want to hit create menu here. So now you want to add some of your posts. You can add your post, your custom link or categories. You can add pages also. These are pages of mine. So let's add these pages here again. Then add to menu. So now let's say I want this one right here to be at the top. You just drag it and drop it there. Let's say I want this to be under the about. I want contact to be under about. Just drop it like this. That is it. But I want it to be normal. So let's save it. So now to add this menu to our footer, we want to go to widgets. Widgets will allow us to do that. So let's go to widgets. So footer widget area. So once we go to footer widget area here. So you want to add menu. So you want to write nav. So here is it, navigation menu. So let's do that. Let's click that. So right there at the navigation menu, you want to find your menu here. So this is our menu, footer menu, right there. If you want to title it, you can title it here also. You can write the title. But I don't want to title it. I just leave it like that. So when you finish, you hit update. So let's see how it looks like now. Now I have menu at the front here. Menu down the bottom at the footer side. Now our website is looking more professional. I'm just gonna adjust this one here. So let's go back to customize. So let's say you want to change the theme. Let's change the theme itself. Let's say I want to use this theme here. Let's activate this theme. And let's see how it look like with this theme here. Okay, as you can see, it looks great with the theme. Our website looks great. And you even get full image. This is the menu. Hello world. I'm going to remove. Here's the category here. The menu that I just added. So now let me remove the hello world. So let's remove the hello world here. Dashboard. Again. And I'm going to go to the post. So here's the hello world. So let's trash hello world here. And no more hello world. And let's go to pages. And we're going to trash this sample page here. We're going to trash that also. Now let's see how the website looks like now. So the website now looks great, look professional. So guys, that's how you make your website look professional. Drop me your comment down below, guys. Subscribe to this channel and I'll give you more Apple video like this to help you grow your website. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.